friends, another insight here. So I believe that we make messes as humans, physical messes and emotional messes. And what that means to me is that I don't put things back where they belong. I might be in a grocery store and I grab something and then I put it back someplace else. That's a physical mess. Like, I'm not putting things back where they belong. I don't clean up after myself. I drop something, litter or whatever. That's a physical mess. There's also emotional messes. I made my actions, unintended or intended, made someone feel sad, mad, not seen, not heard, disrespected. God, we do that all the time, don't we, as humans to each other? Most of the time unintended. Sadly, sometimes intended. But all of them are messes of some sort. And if we are aware of our messes, what if we as humans took the time to clean them up? And we can do this at home and we can do this at work. We can do this in the community to clean up our messes. When we cause a mess, whatever that mess is, if we take the time to clean it up, we are making the world better, just a different way to clean up after ourselves, emotionally or physically. So I love this, and I don't always have a chance. Sometimes I'm not aware of what I did. So if someone doesn't tell me that, I don't have that awareness or that insight. But I think it's really valuable for us as humans to share with each other that what someone's behavior felt like to me. And not that they're responsible, but it has us grow and it has us gain insight. It has us get smarter emotionally and intellectually. So what do you think about that? What do you think about being responsible for cleaning up after ourselves? Whatever cleaning up mess we need to clean up after. I'd love to hear your thoughts.